What if your laptop could feel as smart and seamless as your smartphone? That's exactly what Samsung aims to deliver with the Galaxy Book6 Series, a lineup designed for users who want performance, portability, and deep ecosystem integration.
Nice.
At first glance, the Galaxy Book6 laptops look sleek and premium. The thin and lightweight metal design makes them easy to carry, while the overall build feels solid and modern. Whether you're a student, professional, or creator, the Book6 series is clearly built for everyday productivity on the move. The displays are a major highlight. Samsung's AMOLED panels deliver vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. Watching videos, editing photos, or simply browsing feels sharp and immersive. High refresh rate options make scrolling and multitasking feel smooth and responsive. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Book6 series is powered by the latest Intel processors, offering fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and reliable performance for work, study, and creative tasks.
Nice.
It's not designed for heavy gaming, but for productivity and content creation. It handles everything with ease. One of the biggest advantages is Samsung's ecosystem integration. If you want a premium Windows laptop with an excellent display, reliable performance, and tight integration with Galaxy devices, this series delivers a well-balanced experience. The Samsung Galaxy Book6 series isn't just a laptop lineup, it's Samsung's vision of a smarter, more connected workspace. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Lens, and stay tuned for more smart tech simplified, where we break down the tech that fits into your daily life.